One of my favorite ways to make burgers is a very simple recipe. First, you add your spices, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and then up to 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Although I do prefer a fresh onion diced, then I'll add a 1/4 cup. Any ground beef you choose is perfect for the mix. Take a few pounds and mix it up by hand. When you see that the spices you've added are evenly spread throughout the ground beef, it's ready to make into patties. Now I'll use some parchment paper right there on the counter. These few pounds of ground beef seasoned should make about 4 patties. You can roll them into balls or press them out by hand. Now cut the paper around each patty and stack them up. I'll be putting these back in the fridge to chill so that they get down to around 33 degrees Fahrenheit. This will help them sear when they go into the pan. Here we go. That's the best sound ever. When it's time to flip, they'll be about halfway brown through the side. Remember, when you're flipping burgers in a pan, use the edge for the larger ones. This will help prevent splash. A little Colby and Monterey with pepper jack on top adds just a little more spice to it. Time for plating. They don't have to be pretty. They don't have to all be the same size. A quick, easy recipe. Boy, are they delicious. Thoroughly cooked, juicy, ready to enjoy.